What's going on, everybody? Welcome to episode 1 of our Lux series here at Attention to Detail, South Chicagoland's #1 custom paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and wrap shop. I am your host, Aaron Latman, and I want to do a vehicle showcase for episode 1 of our Lux series for this 2021 Rolls-Royce Ghost. From top to bottom, back to front, and roof to road, this vehicle is custom from every single component, all the way from the Spirit of Ecstasy on the front to the taillight tint and the custom gold taillight bezels on the back. I want to show you what we did. We did a full color change paint protection film in Terminax's Cobia Iron Mist, their newest lineup that they released at SEMA, the SEMA show in Las Vegas. We did a full custom Iron Mist install on the entire exterior. This is a 10-year warranted colored paint protection film, 8 mils thick with a 10-year warranty, protecting from all the rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, and also changing the color. So protection and enhancement in one. That's what we're all about, baby. Then we did, on all of the accents, we did custom gold chrome. So everything from the door handles, the key locks, these fender badges, even the reflectors and all of the window trims got complete custom gold. The rims are custom gold rims. You can see the back taillight bezels are custom gold with custom Lux wrap. This is dark stealth Lux wrap on the back. And then we did full tint surrounds and Climate Comforts. They're purple blue series. These tints are phenomenal. They're actually 2 layers. So we did the first layer in the Climate Comfort, and then the second layer we put on our normal charcoal ceramic tint to not only block even more of the heat, the IR and the UV rays, but also to darken it up so you can see that purple shine through, so you can give it that black and gold with purple look. So this film is satin. The gold is all gloss, and of course with the windows being gloss, everything on the entire exterior is custom from top to bottom, back to front. You can take a peek at the interior of this Ghost as well. We did a VIP interior for our client. The Ghost is insane. And the custom Rolls-Royce umbrella. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Just wanted to show off the umbrella. If you want any custom work done, reach out to me. My name's Aaron at Attention to Detail. Give me a call, 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Thanks so much for watching episode 1 of our Lux series. This Rolls-Royce Ghost is incredible. You're only gonna see the top tier echelon luxury high-end vehicles. We're talking supercars and hypercars only in the Lux series. We do every vehicle from your typical daily drivers all the way up to our Lux series vehicles, but this series is gonna be focused just on those supercars and hypercars. If you have any questions, just give me a call. I'd love to book you in for a consultation so we can meet you, shake your hand, and actually go over what we do here at the shop. It would be my honor and my pleasure to meet you and bring you in for a consultation, so that way we can actually see you and see your vehicle and get you on the schedule. If you have any questions, give me a call, 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Enjoy the Ghost. Thank you so much, and I am out.